Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today's video is about adverbs. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They provide more information about how, when, where, or to what extent something is done. Adverbs often end in ly, but not all adverbs do. One way to use adverbs is to describe the manner in which something is done. For example, she sings beautifully. In this sentence, the adverb beautifully describes the manner in which she sings. Adverbs can also be used to describe the time when something happens. For example, I will call you tomorrow. In this sentence, the adverb tomorrow tells us when the call will happen. Another way adverbs can be used is to describe the place where something happens. For example, she lives upstairs. In this sentence, the adverb upstairs tells us where she lives. Adverbs can also be used to describe the extent to which something happens. For example, he is extremely tired. In this sentence, the adverb extremely tells us the extent to which he is tired. He is extremely tired. It is important to remember that adverbs are used to provide more information about a verb, adjective, or other adverb. Without them, our sentences would be incomplete and lack the detail and depth that adverbs provide. In addition to ly ending adverbs, there are other types of adverbs, such as conjunctive or linking adverbs. These types of adverbs link ideas together to help create coherence in writing and speaking. Another type of adverb is an intensifier. These types of adverbs modify an adjective and intensify its meaning. For example, my math teacher is incredibly patient. Finally, there are also negative adverbs. These types of adverbs negate or reverse the meaning of a verb or adjective. For example, she was not happy with her test score. Okay, students, let's take a short quiz about adverbs. Number 1. What do adverbs modify? A. Nouns. B. Verbs. C. Adjectives. D. Both B and C. Number 2. What do adverbs describe? A. How something is done. B. When something happens. C. Where something happens. D. All of the above. Number 3. What is an intensifier? A. A type of adverb that modifies an adjective and intensifies its meaning. B. A type of adverb that negates or reverses the meaning of a verb or adjective. C. A type of adverb that links ideas together and helps create coherence in writing. D. None of the above. Number 4. What is a negative adverb? A. A type of adverb that modifies an adjective and intensifies its meaning. B. A type of adverb that negates or reverses the meaning of a verb or adjective. C. A type of adverb that links ideas together and helps create coherence in writing. Or D. None of the above. Last one, number 5. What is the purpose of adverbs? A. To provide more information about a verb, adjective, or other adverb. B. To provide more information about a noun. C. To provide more information about a preposition. D. None of the above.